Nature always holds unpredictable surprises, and sometimes they come in the form of astonishing natural disasters. Let's watch the following moments to truly feel that reality. Suddenly, rocks and soil from the hillside collapsed, sweeping away several people in just a few seconds. This is a wake-up call about construction and movement in mountainous areas during the rainy season.
Ay, Dios mío, pero quedaron bien.
Está herido, sí.
Claro.
Se mandé buena ya al casco, pero vean.
In 2023, Typhoon Doksuri made landfall in northern China, causing the worst flooding in decades. The most severely affected provinces included Beijing, Hebei, Henan, and Fujian, with the capital Beijing, recording its heaviest rainfall in 140 years.
哎呦我的个天呀！你看那个车上还有人呢，你看看。
According to official reports, over 1.5 million people were affected, with tens of thousands evacuated urgently. The total estimated economic loss exceeded $13.2 billion USD. Two men stubbornly sat eating even as the storm passed by. What do you think about their actions? A violent snow avalanche occurred in the Mustang region, creating a massive snow cloud. According to reports, 7 students at a local school sustained minor injuries while scrambling to find shelter as the snow suddenly fell. Just a few dozen meters away, the person recording the video witnessed a massive iceberg collapsing, creating a violent impact with the sea. In an instant, a lightning bolt struck directly onto the balcony, lighting up the scene, shaking the entire area, and producing a loud explosion. In 2017, on Greenland's coastal area, a landslide caused a tsunami. The incident led to at least 4 deaths, 11 injuries, and several seaside homes being swept away. The man was lucky, but his car wasn't. In the coastal area of Mati, east of Athens, Greece, this was considered one of the most severe natural disasters to ever occur in the country. In the 21st century, fires broke out intensely under dry weather conditions and strong winds reaching up to 100 km/h, spreading rapidly through the coastal residential areas. The blaze left at least 104 people dead and hundreds more injured. Approximately 4,000 homes and 2,500 vehicles were destroyed by the flames. A mudslide occurred in a town located at the foot of a mountain in Switzerland. The thick layer of mud stretched hundreds of meters, paralyzing traffic in the area. Many roads were deeply flooded with mud, and some homes were completely isolated. Somewhere in the world, nature has just changed everything. Once again, subscribe so you won't miss the stories that need to be remembered.
In a close-by town, passers-by saw it happen again on this bridge, and they had to scramble to avoid the spatter.